Hello everyone, I am James and today let's solve the problem of this Redmi smartphone. As you can see, this one it's restarting at the boot logo, Redmi logo. So here, whenever we connect the charger, it will work fine, but when we disconnect the charger, again it starts rebooting. So when I connect the charger, it boots fine. MIUI. You can see it works fine, but when I disconnect the charger, it turns off and again it starts rebooting. So let's try to solve this problem. First of all, remove the SIM card, SIM tray. So this is the weak point here. From here we can start disassembling it. As I pressed the volume minus while it was rebooting, it entered the fast boot mode. Let me switch it off. So whenever you see a Redmi smartphone booting at fast boot, it means that the volume minus key is short. Be careful here, there is a fingerprint sensor. So here there is glue, so I need to remove it very carefully, gently. Just pull and hold this way. You see, there is an adhesive. Oh, remove these screws. Just disconnect the fingerprint sensor, flex, battery. Now let us see the battery voltage. It's 3.8. So let me switch it on. It shows battery low. As you can see, the voltage is dropping to 3.4 volts. That means the battery is not supplying proper current, sufficient current to the main board. So for that, first of all, let me keep the meter aside, disconnect the battery. We need to replace the battery. If you replace the battery, the device will work fine. But as the battery is not so old, has not been used too much, so I will try to repair the battery itself. Just pull this up. Pull it gently. Pull and hold, it will come out. This way. Keep the smartphone aside. Now remove this, of no use. Here we go. Do not use any sharp objects. As the battery is good, the shell inside the battery is still good, so if you puncture it, it will blast. There will be sparking, fire, etc. To avoid that, do not puncture the battery. Do not use any sharp objects. Here we go. Now here you can see a small resistance. Q1 is written on that, so that is the one it's causing. It does show zero resistance, but what happens whenever current flows, the resistance increases. So let me jump it. For testing purpose, I'll jump it. Earlier also I had uploaded one more video of Infinix Hot 11s, and that smartphone it was still working fine after giving the jump. So first I will check with this, giving a jump here to this resistance. If it works fine, then later we need to replace this part. Please remember that. I advise to go through the video carefully, and if you want, you can just have a research on the battery operating, then continue with the repair of the battery. Take care and do the reparation on your own risk. This is a basically I had removed from one of the batteries. So let me use this one for that purpose. From this wire, take a very thin single strand wire. Single strand, not double. I'm using a cordless soldering iron. Please solder the points of this component. Apply some paste to the single stand wire you have taken. See that the wire will not short to the negative terminal. It will burn and you may get injuries. Okay, now let's connect it to the smartphone and check it. Phone back the see that the wire is thin, not too thick. As you can see now it's booting up. Need to fix this as the main board has come back. It says it has been covered here. You can see it's working fine, so let's reassemble it back. Power off. Take the main board bracket. Before that, connect the fingerprint. Sorry, connect the fingerprint plates. Take the main board bracket. So please keep in mind that do not leave the battery on the jumper itself. Try to find the component from any other inflated battery, or you get the PCB for the battery. You can take the component from that. Don't replace whole PCB to keep the originality. To keep the battery branded, original, don't replace the PCB. So if it repeats even after removing the jump, if it's not working, see that you have soldered the resistance terminal with the jumper properly. The temper glass has broken, not the screen. So let's insert the SIM as well. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the boot loop of your Redmi smartphone, or you can say restarting due to bad battery of your Redmi smartphone. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time. It's a Redmi 9 Power.